So what is the best way to create tasks quickly and easily from within Google? Today I'll be showing you all of the basics of how to access and use Google Tasks. Hello and welcome back to Tech Blast, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. This week's tip is to use Google Tasks, as it's perfect for making reminders, to-do lists, setting tasks, and so much more. To access this, either go to your 9 dots or go into your email account. So now that I've got my email open, I want to go to the right hand side and click on the bottom icon here, which says Tasks. Then it will open up this bar on the side of your screen. This will allow you to read previous tasks as well as create new ones. To create new ones, all you want to do is go up to the top and click Add a Task. So that's how to create a task, but what if you've completed a task? All you need to do is click on the task again and then it will mark it as completed. If you want to find out more on how to use Google Tasks, we've got a playlist on that, so click or tap the screen or check the link in the description box below, and I'll see you next week.